Military Memorial Mace and Plaque. Our 2026 World Champion is Harry Couples, Sarah and District. Second, receiving the Drum Major Roger Young Shield and Plaque, Hannah Campbell, Branca Pipeline. Third, receiving the Brian Wilson Shield and Plaque, Willow Rose Elliott. Fourth, receiving the Boyd Fire Protection Shield, Rosie Kinstry. In fifth place, receiving the RSPBA plaque, Molly Bell, Moneygore Pipe Band. In sixth place, receiving the RSPBA plaque, Grace Murdoch, Lower Clyde. Our champion of champion for 2026 for junior drum majors, receiving the Cade Brothers and Mervyn Herring Cup, Molly Bell, Moneygore Pipe Band. The Clays Drum Major Mason Plaque, our World Champions for 2026 is Caris Graham, Down Pipes and Drums. In second place, receiving the D. Carrigan Cup and Plaque, Lydia Todd, McNeilstown. In third place, receiving the John McQueen Cup and Plaque, Georgia Turkington, Matt Boyd Memorial. In fourth place, receiving the Caravan Club Cup and Plaque, Catherine Spears from Island and District. In fifth place, receiving the Hudson Valley PB Championship Shield and Plaque, Debbie Gilmore, Alpha Day Memorial. And in sixth place, receiving the RSPBA plaque, Thea Craig from Island and District. The champion of champions for 2026 for the Juvenile Drum Majors, receiving the Alberto Donati McDonald Trophy, Caris Graham, Down Pipes and Drums. Hepburn Mace, our 2026 World Champion is Jamie Couples, Ravana. Second, receiving the McBride Memorial Trophy, Charlotte Ruddock, Battle Hill. In third place, receiving the Road Tanker Armagh Trophy, Catherine McCone, Battle Hill. In fourth place, receiving the Eastern United States Pipe Band Association's Cup, Cara Gilmer, Queen Elizabeth. In fifth place, receiving the Drum Major Alicia Dixon Hamilton, BEM, Rose Shield, Rebecca Cox, Troon Blackhawk. And in 6th place, receiving the Northern Ireland Drum Major Shield, Louise Smyton, Glasgow. Our champion of champions for 2026 in the adult drum majors, receiving the John Dewar and Sons Trophy, Emma Barr, Kilmartin Montgomery. Our best band on parade for 2026 goes to Prince Charles, USA. Who are first in drumming, receiving the Northern Ireland Piping and Drumming, Brady Ulster Scott. Our world champions for 2026 who are in first place overall, receiving the RSPBA Ladies Committee Bowl, Brady Ulster Scott. In second place, receiving the London Branch Trophy, runner in district. In third place, receiving the Moxton Mosley Shield, Arbroath. In fourth place, receiving the A&M Pipe Band Socks Shield, the Royal Air Force of Oman. In fifth place, receiving the WJ Rosier Shield, Dumfries. In sixth place, receiving the FJ Water Shield, First Troon Boys Brigade. Our Grade 4B Champion of Champions 2026 for band, receiving the J&R Cruikshank Salver Perpetual Award, Carrigaline Era. In second place, receiving the John Neal Memorial Shield, City of St Andrews. In third place, receiving the Ben Lomond Challenge Shield, Cullen Era. And in fourth place on ensemble preference, receiving the Bucksburn Trophy, Altneve Memorial. In fifth place, receiving the Larg Shield, Heidelberg and District Pipes and Drums, Germany. In sixth place, receiving the Vancouver Ladies Cup, Money Goer. Our Grade 4 Champion of Champions for 2026 for band, receiving the Archie McKinley Memorial Trophy, City of St Andrews. Our Grade 4A Champion of Champions 2026 for drumming, receiving the Alex Duffert Drumming Trophy, City of St Andrews.